know y'all probably wondering how I ended up like this, but stay tuned, you'll see.
I'm catching feelings, baby.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, you guys. Come with me to Damajagua 7 Waterfalls. Yay! So starting off, y'all, we on the way there. The people came and picked us up. This was a very fun excursion, and as y'all see, I'm recording the mountain. The mountain is so beautiful. Peep the scenery, the city. It looks so nice. Like everything is built nicely. Buildings are structured nicely. The whole shebang. So now fast forward, here we are. Y'all peep, I tripped a little bit, but I played it off well. So yeah, we continue on. This is us crossing like a little bridge to get, I guess, to the wilderness, and that's a mountain, y'all. I'm obsessed with mountains, clearly. And we're just walking, y'all. It was a pretty long walk, but I'm pretty in shape for the most part, so it wasn't too horrible. And it's moi, Mia. Yes, y'all. It's giving y'all hair. I was obsessed with my hair, y'all. This is my first time trying this color, and I think it was giving. I feel like it was giving. What y'all think? Was it giving or not? Y'all, so this is our first little break, well needed. All the steps we walked up, and y'all, this is Felix, our tour guide / escort. He was cool peeps, y'all. The steps, Lord, the steps, y'all. It was so many steps, so many steps. If I would have had my watch on, I would have got all the points. You said 7 minutes. 7. Okay. Alright, and this is pretty much how our second little break stop looked and how it works. So right there you see there's like a little first aid shelter type of thing, and I guess if you was to scrape yourself all little minor bruises, they got you. And they say it wasn't many animals, but I guess that was one of the local animals there.
Familia, now I have a question. Everybody how not to swim?
Yeah. I swim for survival, not for leisure.
For survival.
Y'all, these was by far the steepest steps I've gone down, y'all. When I tell you the steps got steeper as you went down, yes, be careful or you will break something. Be careful. And y'all, in this moment, I'm feeling excited and nervous, happy, you know, just because I love the outside. I love the outdoors. So this is like right up my alley. And here we go, y'all. Now I'm starting to get a little nervous, but I'm like excited, like let's do it. I'm in the front of the line. I'm first to go. Let's get it. Let's go. Down the steps I go. Here we go. The water was freezing. But y'all peep how it looked. It's very tight down here, but I love the natural rocks, and I love, you know, just being outside. Y'all, they was like top flight security. They was not about to let us get hurt at all. So yes, they went first. Everywhere we go, y'all, look at the water falling on us. I needed that little drop of water, okay? That's how hot it was. And y'all see how cool the water looked down there. Alright, so yeah, this is the waterfall. This is me freezing. This is how far up I was. And just peep, y'all. Just peep. This is where I messed up. When that leg went up, it was a wrap. I was through. But yeah, I made it down safe. I hurt my elbow, I hurt my knee, and I almost drowned. So yeah, that was it for me. Y'all watch this brave little girl do that jump and how high that water go up when she's so little. Watch him do that jump and he go straight in, and how that water fly up like that, y'all. That's a high jump. No joke. That's a very high jump. Just to let y'all know, that's a very high jump. And y'all, this is the last waterfall, which I didn't go down because it was too shallow. Because I was done with it. I wasn't getting down no more waterfalls. Here we go, y'all. Peep the scenery, peep the view. So beautiful, so beautiful. In love, the water beautiful, everything beautiful. Alright, so lunch was included. So here is the restaurant they took us to. And y'all, I must say, I don't know if I was just hungry or if the food was really on point. But y'all, they had the food spread out for us, buffet style. And y'all, I did not hold back. I ate as much as my body could hold. And everything was good. Everything was good. No complaints. That's my plate, y'all. That's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe.